Hello everyone. So today we will see disorders of branch chain amino acids. So branch chain amino acid that is valine, isoleucine and leucine. These branch chain amino acid metabolize to keto acids, and we will see how these disorders are present. So first we see the metabolic pathways in which leucine, valine and isoleucine, in presence of their aminotransferase enzymes, they are converted into keto acids, alpha keto acids, and these keto acids when increase in blood and urine, then the condition is known as maple syrup urine disease. So today we will see this only here. And these alpha keto acids are then converted into acyl coenzyme A in presence of dehydrogenase enzyme, and coenzyme A, lipoic acid, thymine pyrophosphate, NAD and FAD. It forms acyl coenzyme A derivative. So the important is branch chain aminotransferase enzyme converts these branch chain amino acids into alpha keto acids. Then these are in presence of dehydrogenase converted into acyl coenzyme A derivatives. And increase in this acid, keto acid, will cause maple syrup urine disease. So maple syrup urine disease, now MSUD. The incidence is 1 per 1 lakh birth. The name originates from characteristic smell of urine that is similar to the burnt sugar or maple syrup sugar due to excretion of branch chain keto acids. This maple syrup urine disease or branch chain ketoaciduria is caused by deficiency of branch chain keto acid dehydrogenase complex. When dehydrogenase enzyme is deficient, branch chain keto acid dehydrogenase enzyme is deficient, it causes maple syrup urine disease, as branch chain keto acids are not metabolized. The basic biochemical defect is deficient decarboxylation of branch chain keto acid. It leads to the accumulation of branch chain amino acid, that is leucine, isoleucine, valine and corresponding branch chain keto acids. First, there are 5 distinct types of MSUD. The first is classic MSUD, that is maple syrup urine disease. Then second is intermediate, that intermittent, thymine responsive, and the fifth is dihydrolipoyl dehydrogenase deficient. So we will see all these 5 disorders. The first is classic MSUD. The classic MSUD is the most common and it is severe type. It has its onset in neonatal and type of encephalopathy. The other types generally have onset on 2 years and generally leucine is elevated in blood and urine. Presence of isoleucine, allo-isoleucine, is diagnostic. It has also autosomal recessive inheritance and it is 1 in 1,85,000. Then classic MSUD is the most severe with generally less than 2% of normal enzymatic activity. Now branch chain amino acid comprises 35% of indispensable amino acid in muscles. Majority are untreated classic patients die within the early months of life and recurrent metabolic crisis or neurological deterioration. Treatment involves long-term dietary management and aggressive intervention during acute metabolic decompensation. Age at diagnosis and subsequent metabolic control are the most important determinants of long-term control. Patient in whom treatment is initiated after 10 days of age rarely achieve normal intellectual. Then biochemical basis, we see that it is excess of amino acid and keto acids. It also interfere with neuronal and astrocyte metabolism. It causes spongy changes in white matter and delayed myelination. Most untreated patients with the classic form of MSUD die in the early months of life from neurological deterioration and recurrent clinical crisis. Normal intellect is generally not seen in patients whose treatment is delayed until after 14 days of life. Rapid diagnosis and prompt treatment is essential for a positive long term outcome. Clinical findings are disease start in the first week of life. It is characterized by convulsion, severe mental retardation, vomiting, acidosis, coma, and ultimately death within the first year of life. Lab findings, it is urine contained branch chain keto acids, valine, leucine and isoleucine. Rothera's test is positive, but unlike in case of ketoacidosis, even boiled and cooled urine will give the test. Diagnosis depends on enzyme analysis in cells. Diagnosis should be done prior to 1 week after the birth. Now treatment, it is giving a diet low in branch chain amino acid. Mild variant is called intermittent branched chain ketonuria. This will respond to high dose of thiamine. This is because the decarboxylation of the BCKA, that is branch chain ketoacidosis, ketoacidic acid, requires thiamine. Liver transplantation has been successfully tried in some cases of MSUD. In now the next form, that is intermediate. It is the mutant due to branch chain keto acid dehydrogenase activity. It is 20 to 15 to 25% of normal. It is moderately severe CNS symptoms, that is central nervous system, of severe developmental delay are present. Systemic acidosis may be present, and markedly increased levels of branched amino acid, branch chain amino acid and urinary branch chain keto acids are observed. Then the number 2, that is number 3, intermittent form of MSUD, that is late onset of episodic symptoms are present. Episodes present with recurrent acidosis, ataxia, lethargy, semicoma and elevated urinary branch chain keto acids following otitis media. Now the next one is thiamine responsive MSUD. Some mutations in E1 alpha as well as E1 beta subunit reduce the affinity of enzyme for thiamine pyrophosphate, one of the essential coenzymes. Since the Km of enzyme is increased, high concentrations of TPP can restore the enzyme activity. Therefore, a variant of MSUD with hyperammonia acidemia correctable by thiamine hydrochloride along with branch chain amino acid dietary restriction is known as thiamine responsive MSUD. The activity of branch chain keto dehydrogenase complex in thiamine responsive maple syrup urine disease is about 30 to 40% of the normal. Then E3 deficient with lactic acidosis MSUD. It shows progressive neurological deterioration and persistent metabolic acidosis. The patient have elevated blood pyruvate, lactate, alpha ketoglutarate and branch chain amino acids as well as occasional hypoglycemia. Now we see one case study regarding this MSUD. Patient presented at 3 months of age with excessive irritability, abnormal posturing since birth and delayed developmental milestones. There is a history of sibling death at day 15 of life. the clinician reported abnormal urine odor. Laboratory analysis revealed ketonuria and metabolic acidosis. HPLC analysis of amino acids showed elevated leucine, isoleucine, and valine. The child died immediately afterwards. So the case is of MSUD. Now the other disorders of branch chain amino acid, that is isovaleric acidemia. Here leucine catabolism is affected due to deficiency of isovaleryl coenzyme A dehydrogenase, leading to excretion of isovalerate in urine and sweats. This gives the body and breath a cheesy odor. Severe metabolic acidosis and neurological deficit are seen. Symptoms are vomiting, acidosis, and coma after high protein diet. It is often fatal in early childhood. The characteristics offensive odor of urine is the first sign of the abnormal excretion of this metabolite. Very high amounts of abnormal metabolites are excreted in urine. Then the other disorder is methylmalonic aciduria. Enzyme methylmalonyl coenzyme A mutates methylmalonic acid into succinic acid that is assimilated in the TCA cycle. The enzyme requires adenosyl cobalamin coenzyme form of vitamin B12. Deficiency of the enzyme activity or its coenzyme causes the accumulation of methylmalonic acid in the plasma and its expression is normal, but coenzyme availability inadequate respond to the administration of cobalamin. Diagnosis depends on the demonstration of methylmalonic acid and propionic acid in urine and plasma samples. Now NEET PG questions about this topic. This was the recent question. In MSUD, that is maple syrup urine disease, amino acid that is excreted is arginine A, B methionine, C leucine, and D lysine, and the answer is leucine. So branch chain amino acid is leucine only. Then this question was in All India 2010, and the question is branch chain keto acid decarboxylation is defective in maple syrup urine disease, Hartnup disease, alkaptonuria, and tyrosinosis, and the answer is MSUD, that is maple syrup urine disease. Then it is recent question. MSUD type 1 is due to mutation of E1 alpha, E1 beta, E2 or E3, and the answer is E1 alpha. Then this is again a recent question, which is not formed from branch chain amino acid: xanthurinate, triagyl coenzyme A, acetoacetyl coenzyme A, and acetyl coenzyme A, and the D is acetyl coenzyme A and succinyl coenzyme A, and the answer is xanthurinate. It is formed from tryptophan when chyaluronase enzyme is defective. Now the next, it was recent question. Treatment used in isovaleric aciduria is arginine, methionine B, C is glycine, and D is lysine, and the answer is glycine. Then this was in All India 1999. Which of the following amino acid is excreted in urine in maple syrup urine disease? The A is arginine, B is tryptophan, C is phenylalanine, and D is leucine, and the answer is leucine. Then the question is PGI November 2013, that disease of branch chain amino acid includes phenylketonuria, maple syrup urine disease, Tay Sachs disease, isovaleric acidemia, and Niemann-Pick disease. And the answer is maple syrup urine disease and D, isovaleric acidemia, both A, B and D. So thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.